What's up, travelers? Get ready to have your minds blown because we're diving headfirst into one of Europe's most spectacular summer destinations, the Croatian coastline. Think crystal clear waters, sun-drenched islands, historic walled cities, and a nightlife that just doesn't quit. We're going to walk you through an epic itinerary that will help you experience the best of Croatia's coastline. This trip balances relaxation, adventure, culture, and, of course, partying. Because, hey, it's summer. In the morning as you touch down in Split, Croatia's second-largest city. Once you've grabbed your bags and settled into your accommodation, it's time to hit the ground running. Start with exploring Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the heart of Split. This isn't just some old building. It's a living, breathing part of the city, filled with shops, restaurants, and apartments. Get lost in its maze-like streets and soak up the history. And as the sun begins to set, make your way to the Riva Promenade, Split's vibrant waterfront. Enjoy a delicious Dalmatian dinner at one of the many restaurants, sip on local wine, and watch the world go by. The Riva is the perfect place to start your Croatian adventure. Rise and shine. Travelers, it's day 2. It's time for an island escape. Today, catch a ferry from Split to Hvar, known as the sunniest island in Croatia. Hop on a scooter or jump in a car. Spend the afternoon zipping through Hvar's winding roads, chasing coastal views that look straight out of a postcard. If you're visiting at the right time, you might catch the lavender fields in full bloom. Trust me, your nose will know before your eyes do. As the sun starts to dip, roll back into Hvar town, where the real fun begins. Grab a cocktail at Hula Hula Beach Club and toast to the kind of sunset that makes you forget about your emails. Then, let the island's legendary nightlife sweep you off your feet. Dance, sip, and make memories that will last way longer than your tan. Just remember, pace yourself, or tomorrow's adventure might just be finding the strongest espresso on the island. After a night of dancing and island magic, it's time to recharge. Beach style. It's day 3, barefoot in the sand and a drink in hand. Dubrovika Beach is the ultimate chill spot, with crystal clear waters and a breezy little cafe perfect for a laid-back start, and the only decision you need to make is juice or mimosa. In the afternoon, it's time to explore beyond Hvar, hop on a boat, and set sail to the Pakleni Islands, where hidden bays, secret swimming spots, and sun-kissed perfection await. Whether you're snorkeling, floating, this is what island dreams are made of. In the evening, settle in for a waterfront dinner, fresh seafood, great wine, and a sunset that looks straight out of a movie. And if you're still in the mood for fun, well, Hvar's nightlife isn't going anywhere. Day 4 it is. Another day, another island. Hop on a ferry from Hvar to Korčula, a stunning Croatian gem packed with history and charm. Grab a coffee, enjoy the sea breeze, and let the waves set the pace for a day of exploration. Welcome to Korčula town, where medieval streets, stone walls, and Marco Polo's alleged birthplace await. Wander through the old town, visit the Marco Polo house, and climb the St. Mark's Cathedral bell tower. A few steps now for a lifetime of views. What better way to end the day than with a traditional peka dinner? This slow-cooked masterpiece of meat and veggies melts in your mouth and pairs perfectly with a local wine. Sit back, savor every bite, and toast to another island conquered. Cheers to Korčula. Trade alarm clocks for the sound of the waves. It's day 5, head to Popnatska Luka, a picture-perfect bay with turquoise waters so inviting. You'll want to dive in, swim, soak up the sun, and let the gentle waves be your morning soundtrack. From sea to sips, it's wine o'clock. Korčula is famous for its local wines, so take a midday detour to a charming winery. Sip, swirl, and soak in the vineyard views. It's all about treating yourself today. As the sun sets, enjoy one last Korčula town dinner, preferably with a view. Enjoy fresh seafood, a glass of wine, and if you're lucky, a front row seat to a Mureska sword dance, an electrifying performance of tradition and talent. What a way to wrap up the day. Time to swap island vibes for a city straight out of a storybook. It's day 6, hop on a ferry to Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic. Let the salty sea breeze wake you up better than your morning coffee, and watch as Dubrovnik's iconic stone walls come into view. Once you arrive, Check in, drop your bags, and take a moment to soak in the fact that you're about to explore one of the world's most breathtaking cities. Ready to step in? Because Dubrovnik's old town walls are calling. Walking these UNESCO-listed fortifications isn't just a history lesson. It's a front row seat to jaw-dropping views of the terracotta rooftops, shimmering Adriatic, and bustling streets below. If the scenery looks familiar, it's because Hollywood thought it was too good to pass up. Dubrovnik famously starred as King's Landing in Game of Thrones and made appearances in Star Wars, The Last Jedi, and Robin Hood stroll through this cinematic dream. After conquering the walls, it's time to reward yourself with a glass of Dalmatian wine and a meal that'll make your taste buds sing. Find a cozy waterfront restaurant or a candlelit spot tucked within the ancient streets and let Dubrovnik serve up an unforgettable dining experience. Whether it's the freshest seafood, a rich truffle pasta, or just a killer sunset view, one thing's for sure: this city knows how to do dinner right. Toast to another incredible day and get ready, because Dubrovnik still has plenty of magic left to share. Wakey travelers, it's day 7. Kick off your last day at this beautiful destination by getting wonderfully lost in Dubrovnik's old town. Wander through cobbled streets lined with history, appreciate the beauty of ornate churches, and maybe even trace the steps of famous movie scenes. Yup, Dubrovnik isn't just a medieval gem, it's a Hollywood favorite. When the city heats up, catch a ferry to Lokrum Island, Dubrovnik's little piece of paradise. Explore the monastery ruins, refreshing dip into the Dead Sea, and lounge on the rocky shores. Bonus points if you manage to snap a selfie with one of the island's many peacocks. End the day with an epic sunset from Mount Sarje. Whether you hike up or take the cable car, the panoramic view of Dubrovnik's rooftops melting into the Adriatic is a memory you won't forget. Cheers to a well-spent day. It's time to face reality. We know. But head to the airport. Don't be surprised if your mind is already planning a return trip. You may be flying home, but Dubrovnik has officially moved into your heart, rent-free, and there you have it. An unforgettable 7-day adventure along the Croatian coastline. From the ancient city of Split to the sun-kissed islands of Hvar and Korčula and the stunning walls of Dubrovnik, this itinerary offers a taste of everything that makes Croatia so special. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to TBO Academy, and drop a comment on your must-visit spot. See you in the next video.